How to design YouTube banner in Picsart. Want to make your channel stand out? Here's how to design a YouTube banner in Picsart. Start with a blank canvas sized at perfect size for YouTube banners. Add a background image or color that matches your brand. Keep important text and logos within the safe zone so they will show on all devices. Use text, shapes, and stickers to add your name, tagline, or social media handles. When everything looks clean and balanced, export your banner and upload it to your channel. Have you refreshed your channel ad recently? Tell us in the comment below. Check how your banner looks on desktop and mobile previews before finalizing. And that's how you can design YouTube banner in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.